Hey guys, real quick, Dave from MF Dumpsters. Wanted to show you what I came up with. We have two plugs on our dumpster trailer, and I got sick of running two lines and all that. So here's what I came up with for my solution. Just a gang box. I'd put a magnet on it, ran one side in with the power. I had some extra cords laying around. I did those sides and I sealed it all up. So now we got two plugs into one box, so the box goes under there. One plug there. One plug there. And now it's all nice and neat and weatherproof, and one wire going out to the trailer. All right, that's about all I got for today. Thought that might help a couple people. Talk to you later.